Today, I'll show you how to access Microsoft Project using the new experience that's now integrated with Microsoft Planner. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go, what you're looking at, and how this rebranded interface fits into your day-to-day work. Let's start right at the beginning with how to get to Microsoft Project in your browser. Open your preferred web browser such as Microsoft Edge or Chrome, and in the address bar at the top, type project.microsoft.com, then press Enter. This web address takes you directly to what's called Project Home. Once the page loads, you're in the right place. Even though you might be used to hearing the name Microsoft Project, you'll notice that the branding on the page now focuses on Microsoft Planner. Microsoft has been bringing Project and Planner closer together, so don't be surprised if you see the Planner name more prominently than Project. You are still in the correct environment to access your project work. It's just part of this updated, unified experience. On this Project homepage, take a moment to look around. Front and center, you'll see a list of your recent projects and roadmaps. These are the items you've worked on most recently, making it quick and easy to jump back into your work without hunting through menus or emails. If you're new to this experience and don't see much yet, that likely means you haven't created or opened many projects, and that's completely fine. Over time, as you use the tool more, this list will automatically grow and become more useful. The idea behind Project Home is to give you a single, convenient starting point. Think of it as your personal dashboard. From here, you can open existing projects and roadmaps with a single click. As you start managing more work, this homepage becomes a central hub for everything you're tracking, whether it's a simple team plan or a more complex project with multiple phases. Because of the rebranding to Microsoft Planner, some of the terminology and visuals may feel a bit different if you previously used the classic Microsoft Project desktop app. The modern web experience is designed to be more approachable and integrated with other Microsoft 365 tools you use every day. The key thing to remember is that going to projectmicrosoft.com is still your main entry point. Once you're there, you're in the modern project and planner environment where you can organize tasks, timelines, and roadmaps in a more streamlined way. If you're planning to access this frequently, a helpful tip is to bookmark the page in your browser or pin the tab so you can get back to Project Home in a single click. This small step can save time, especially if project management is part of your daily routine. To recap, all you need to do is open your browser, go to project.microsoft.com, and you'll land on Project Home. From there, you can see and open your recent projects and roadmaps, all within the updated Microsoft Planner experience that now carries the project capabilities. That's all there is to accessing Microsoft Project through the new interface. Once you're comfortable getting to Project Home, you're ready to start exploring your projects and making the most of the Microsoft Planner integration.